of electric field. It can easily be found by finding out the electric flux density, because the relation between electric flux density and the electric field is epsilon E. So with knowing the electrical permittivity of the medium, we can easily find out the electric field normal component. So we can do that by the Gauss law for electric field, which was Gauss law for the electric field was the closed surface integral of electric flux density was actually equal to the total charge enclosed in that surface. So we can use this formula, we can use this law in order to find out the normal component of electric field at the boundary. ठीक है, ये आपको जो फिगर नजर आ रही है इसको मैं थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर लेता हूँ। जो इंटरफेस है, जो हमारा बाउंड्री है हमारी, वो समझ लीजिए कि z इक्वल टू 0 पर है, ठीक है जी। और x ये एक हम क्लोज्ड सरफेस जो है ना वॉल्यूम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, इस वक्त हम क्लोज्ड वॉल्यूम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं। और इस क्लोज्ड वॉल्यूम को कंसिडर करने के बाद हम ये कह सकते हैं कि z इक्वल टू 0 पे तो हमारा इंटरफेस है, बट z ग्रेटर देन 0 इज एक्चुअली मीडियम नंबर 1 and z less than 0 is medium number 2 in fact. And this medium has different characteristics. This medium has different characteristics. By characteristics I mean that sigma 1 is actually the conductivity of medium 1, and epsilon 1 is the permittivity of the medium 1. Likewise, sigma 2 and epsilon 2 is the conductivity and the permittivity of the medium 2 respectively. And this is z less than 0 because I mean we are below the z-axis, in the negative value of the z-axis. So now considering this whole volume, we if assume that we have rho s at the surface which is actually the interface, so we can consider this del z that approaches 0. This gives us the boundary, that gives us the interface in fact, ठीक है, जिसमें हम इंटरेस्टेड हैं, जिसके नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट और जिसका हमने नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट फाइंड करना है। I hope I am not confusing you. What we are considering now is कि हम निकालना चाह रहे हैं normal component of electric field. Normal to what? Normal to the boundary. So normal to the boundary, we can use this Gauss law for electric field in order to find out the normal component. So what we can do is, if we consider this del z equal to 0, this gives us the interface, and we can then apply, तो वो हमारा surface बन जाएगा, ठीक है ना, वो हमारा surface बन जाएगा इस तरह का, that becomes a surface. If I consider del z equal to 0, so del z approaches 0 implies that it is a surface, and in that surface I take ds and then I integrate it over the whole surface. That gives us the closed surface integral of electric flux density. So let us do it stepwise. So for example, I say d dot ds. This d dot ds is actually equal to starting from 0 to del y, because I have in this surface I have a del, this one is del y, and this is my del x, del x, and obviously del z is equal to 0, that is the boundary. So I have these two these two incremental distances that are 0 to del x and 0 to del y. अच्छा जी, इसमें हम नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट को जो ले रहे हैं, तो हम dn1 को कंसिडर कर सकते हैं नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट टू द मीडियम 1, to the boundary which is in the medium 1, and dn2 can be the normal component to the interface, and but it is in medium number 2. So if it is dn1, we can say it is in the direction az, right? And we dot that with the ds, where ds is del x and del y. Okay, but they are in the direction of az as well, because we are taking the normal component. So this is the first one, and then we can add up the other component. So let me write it below. We can add up another component, that is who is with us? 12 participants. Okay. आप लोगों को समझ आ रही है? कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ सकते हैं. मैं इसकी वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ, d.ds की वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. और अब हम अगेन 0 to del y and 0 to del x हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, ठीक है. तो दिस कैन बी del x and del y, dx and dy, and then when we put the limits, then we can apply del x and del y. So anyways, now dn2, which is normal to the surface, and it is in medium number 2. तो dn2 इसलिए कह रहे हैं. और ये किस डायरेक्शन में है? ये भी az की डायरेक्शन में है, माइनस az की डायरेक्शन में नहीं है. दोनों के डायरेक्शन dn1 और dn2 की डायरेक्शन सेम है, वो z की डायरेक्शन में है. So we will say this is az, and then dotted with dx and dy, which is the surface area of the interface, and then this is now directed normal. ये जो ds होता है ना, ये normal to the surface होता है. So this is now minus az, obviously, and that whole is actually equal to the charge enclosed. ये मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैल्यू पुट करते करते यहाँ तक पहुंचा हूँ. I just put the value of d.ds. Now if I say let me solve it further and see how it goes. So I can say this is dn1, it reduces to dn1 because az into az gives us 1, and then we have del y, and we have 0 to del x, and we have dx and dy remaining only, and minus sign comes because of this, and the plus gets minus dn2, and then again the limit 0 to del y and 0 to del x. That gives us again dx and dy, okay, and that is actually equal to the charge enclosed, right? तो हम ये सॉल्व जब करेंगे और लिमिट्स पुट करेंगे, सो दैट कैन गिव मी dn1 del x and del y obviously, and dn2 del x and del y is equal to the charge enclosed again. So we are actually putting the values of values in plugging in the values of electric flux density and the surface areas in the Gauss law for electric field, in fact. Now, if I dividing both sides by what? By del x and del y gives me what? dn1 minus dn2 is equal to the charge enclosed divided by dx and del x and del y, which is actually the surface area, in fact. तो अगर आप गौर करें, इसको मैं रो एस कह सकता हूँ. सरफेस अगर मैं इसको यूनिफॉर्म चार्ज कंसिडर करूँ, तो मैं यूनिफॉर्म सरफेस चार्ज इसको कंसिडर कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि surface charge density is actually equal to the coulombs per square meter, right? So del x and del y is actually, this gives us coulombs per square meter. So I can say this is my rho s in fact. So as a conclusion, we ended up with dn1 minus dn2 is equal to rho s. It means that the normal components are not equal. They can be equal. ये हमने कब कंसिडर किया था कि जो हमारा इंटरफेस है उस पे चार्ज है रो, यहाँ पे मीडियम 1 है और यहाँ पे मीडियम 2 है। हमने खुद कंसिडर किया था कि इस सरफेस के ऊपर जो है ना, इस सरफेस के ऊपर हमारे क्या है, रो एस चार्ज है इस सरफेस के ऊपर, रो एस। और अगर तो if this medium is not a charged medium and this is a medium which has no charge, and rho s is, for example, if I would say if rho s is equal to 0, then this implies that dn1 is actually equal to dn2 because rho s is equal to 0. अच्छा, तो ये हमने तो फाइंड करना था इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड normal component of electric field find करना था. Why did we ended up with the D? Because we knew that D is epsilon E, so we can easily find out epsilon 1 E N1 is equal to epsilon 2 E N2. It is in the case where rho S is equal to 0. Okay. अच्छा, now we can consider another case as we considered previously कि हमें पता है कि जो कंडक्टिविटी है वो परफेक्ट कंडक्टर की वो इंफिनिटी होती है. So if I say if medium one is a dielectric, okay, and medium number two is a perfect conductor. Okay, now if this is a perfect conductor, then this sigma 2 approaches infinity, obviously, because it's a perfect conductor. Then we can say that dn2 is actually equal to 0. ठीक है, because perfect conductor में electric field inside the conductor is actually equal to 0. ठीक है, हमने ये पिछली दफा पढ़ा था ना कि electric field is equal to 0 inside surface पे करंट रहता है उसके inside the conductor. So now we are getting inside to the conductor. So this means that dn2 is equal to 0 because dn2 has a relation of epsilon e2 with the medium 2. So हम ये कह सकते हैं कि this is actually equal to 0 for a perfect conductor. This means that this implies that dn1 is actually then equal to rho s. Putting it in this equation, अगर dn2 जो है हमारा medium 2 जो है वो perfect conductor है, तो this gives us epsilon 2 is equal to infinity, which means that dn2 is actually equal to 0. Okay, so let us conclude and let us comment. Conclusion of the boundary conditions. बाउंड्री कंडीशंस और की कंक्लूजन क्या है कि हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जब टेंजेंशियल ET1 माइनस ET2 इज एक्चुअली इक्वल टू 0, dn1 माइनस dn2 इज एक्चुअली इक्वल टू रो s. ठीक है, एंड वेयर रो s इज द सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी एट द सरफेस. ठीक है, और